riddle geniuses. Welcome to the Super Duper Riddle Challenge. Are you ready to tickle your brains and have some fun? I have 5 super tricky, super fun riddles for you today. Think carefully and shout out your answers. Ready? Let's go! Alright, here's the first riddle. Listen carefully. What has hands but can't clap? Did you guess it? It's a clock. A clock has hands, but it can't clap. Here comes the next one. What has to be broken before you can use it? The answer is an egg. You have to break an egg before you can use it. Did you get it right? Alright, next up. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What is it? It's footsteps. The more footsteps you take, the more you leave behind. Tricky. Right, this one's fun. Listen closely. I'm tall when I'm young, and short when I'm old. What am I? It's a candle. Candles start tall, but as they burn, they get shorter. Did you guess it? High five! Alright, last riddle. This one's a bit silly. What has a face and 2 hands but no legs? It's a clock again. Ups. It keeps time but has no legs to run away. Wow! You were amazing at solving these riddles. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more brain-tickling fun. See you next time for more fun and brainy adventures. Bye-bye!